I'm here with another video, and I got twozies right here. This is the name, so right here. It's super cute, as you can see. And I'm going to be opening it. And first, I'm like scissors. I have to open this first. You'll see. Alright, I cut it all. And I have to like just open it. I have to like open this. I don't want to ruin the box because that's like the collection right here. So yeah. So now I have to like open this and open this and open it. First, I'm just going to open this part. It will be easy for me. Yeah, that's good. I cut it all. And you have to like take it out. Oh, and here comes like the lippets. I don't want to ruin it. Anyways. Look, all the surprises came up, but that's okay. Anyways. I want to open like the surprise packs. I don't know what's what, but I have like the collection in that, so just easily see it. Alright. I opened it all. This is like the little surprise pack. I think it will be, I don't know. I could just look in back. I'll see what got Sapodi. Oh, this one. So we know that. Alright, we'll just find it. I don't know what's what, so. Whoopsie, one fell. So, yeah, I just have to open it. Oops. Probably cut it. Yeah, that's good. Little owl. I don't know who is who, so I've been saying that. I don't know. Probably this one because this one like an animal one. I don't know. I'm just opening stuff. This one is probably matching this one. I still don't know. You have to look for the collection thing. Oh, this is so cute. This is so adorable. Yeah. Oh, I have to open this thing. Come on. Good. Yeah. Let's open this thing. Oh, come on, open. Yeah, the little hole. Actually, did it. Oh, come on. Alright, I opened it. And it's like kind of like, I don't know. I'm just like putting all the pets right here. And this one right here. And I'll find out at the end. What? They're adorable. Right? Yeah. These are so adorable. Yes, I have to open this. Oh, opened it. That's kind of good. Take this little pet out. Alright, this I'm sure is with this one because this one is kind of like a puppy too. And this one is a puppy. So I'm sure this is one. So I'm just going to put it there, but I still don't know. I'm just guessing. And this one is probably a little girl. Little like baby. They are super adorable. So I'm going to open it. It's green. I just know it. Yay, green. Alright. Okay, like it's so cute. Look, the head was like this. And we're just going to put it right here. I see nothing here left. Surprise pet inside. It's kind of like so cute. So, it's so cool. It's probably this one goes with this one probably go by himself, I don't know. Alright, I bought these at Target. We went to like the toy place and we got this. I was trying to get Shopkins or Num Noms series 3 in 1. But yeah. Oh, looks so cute. Could you just like look at the back? It's like all the collections. Dobby, Trumpet, and they are so cute. So that was it for today. So please click like and subscribe, and add a comment if you like the little